Hi, hello friends. Welcome to KSP Academy. For the last class, we discussed some fundamental topics regarding the windings. In this, I should go for some of the interesting the interview questions in that the single layer winding and double layer winding. Sometimes the people might be confusion. It should not be confusion. I should be clear. Some type of critical things will ask the questions in interviews. Single layer and double layer winding. I should draw that. What is single layer and double layer winding? So let us see here. I should draw a single layer winding. I think let us. This is a rotor body. The layer by layer. If you keep one winding, should be by other winding. Let's consider it double layer winding. If you keep all or single layers only, it's single layer winding. Clearly to understand, I should draw the winding things for single layer and double layer. First thing I should draw a single layer winding. What things will take place? So I should draw a armature commutator segments. For armature core I should draw. So what I should draw here, armature core, to understand very clearly. In a cylindrical manner, I am drawing over here. Try to think that it is an armature core. Don't think so, sir, how should be there, this much it should be there or not. Don't think much. I'm not very good as like you in the diagrams, but I'm very good in little subject. It should be there, how to feel it is. So armature core. Let us same thing here. There are two types things will possible. Why I am drawing for this bigger manner means that is the only important topic for us. That's what important parts will I should take into consideration. Like this, our armature core is there. These are all the slots. So those who want to understand very clearly, I should the last class I was drawn how the armature core should be there. Those who want very clearly, you can open and one by one you can easily understand here. One top and one bottom you can open. Like this, things should be take place. So those who want clear continuity, you can do it. Nothing will going to happening is here you should do. If you want more numbers, you can do it like this. Like this, armature core is there. These are all slots. Inside these are all slots. Inside the slots, you have to keep a conductor. Let's I should draw only big size. Only four slots I should take to understand very clearly. Comes under single layer winding. The conductor how should be there. You have to keep your conductors. Here one conductor. Here one conductor. Here you keep one conductor. Here you keep conductors. The winding should go like this. It's a cross sectional view I was shown. Conductor should go like this, lap or wave. It should go connecting like this. This how should be there, only single layer. So this type of winding is called as a single layer winding. This is a case one. How many conductors? One conductor and one slot. See here how one conductor and one slot. If you want to write, you can write. One conductor in one slot. If you see, there are other type of possible. Here, some type two conductors in one slot. Like this I should keep. Some people are thinking that two conductors in one slot, it comes a double layer. No. If it should be winding, it should be like this. It should look like only single layer. Don't think that it's a double layer winding. It's a single layer winding. But the winding should be arrangement like this. Here in the second case it's possible. Two conductors in one slot. Here, two conductors in one slot. You can say that this comes under a single layer winding. Don't think that double layer winding. Only single layers. This is what a single layer winding. Then come to the double layer winding. The things will take place. Same thing here. Here the concentration must be important. Please look at the concentration. The things how should be going to happening is there. Let us, if your slots should be like this, don't think it's a circular manner, so it should be there. In the case of double layer winding, if you keep your conductors in such a way, two conductors in each slot, same thing, two conductors each slot, but the conductor should be one by other, one on other. This is comes under two conductors in one slot. This is also two conductors in one slot, but two conductors in one slot, the conductor should be side by side. This is comes under single layer winding. Double layer winding is two conductors in one slot, one by other, one on other. This comes under a double layer winding. Here also two conductors in one slot. Am I clear? This should be very confusion questions in interviews. Don't think that two conductors in one slot is double layer. No. Sir, please tell me what type of winding, how should be the design? Can you tell me that? Two cases possible. It's very interesting question in interviews. How very clear. It's a only single layer. It should be, this will possessing a one layer, other should be possessing a one more layer, two layer. But here only, all are only one layer. Clear? Next, if you wanted to conduct four conductors in one slot, I should draw for you. Four conductors for you, convenient. I should draw one more setup. So four conductors in one slot. So I should draw like this. Two conductors in one layer, other two conductors in other layer. So don't think that four conductors in one slot, it's a four layer winding. No, it's wrong. So it should be four. Each slot we have four conductors. So but two conductors in one layer, two conductors other layer, one by one. So this type of setup is called as a double layer winding. I think very clear how the winding should be. A single layer, double layer winding. These two only important questions in interview. You should not be confusion. How very clear the types of winding, single layer and double layer winding. How very clear? Those who have doubts, the different types of winding, please watch in previous video. Their types of windings are available. If you like my lecture, please subscribe to our channel. Links will come to your email ID so you can enjoy the things. Keep continue for next videos.